let's do this unboxing. What up, Bay Gang? You know, back with another video. Ooh, oh my goodness, my ear itching. Oh, back with, oh, look, I can't say back with another video and my ear itching. Anyway, so I'm back with another video. I'm going to do unboxing, so let's get it, people.
See me on your YouTube, but you don't know me in real life, little homie. You better play it cool. Never let your left hand know what your right hand finna do, cause they gon' study your every move, try to imitate what you about to do. This here is the gang. We don't rock with you if I ain't feeling you. I've been on top since I started, dog, and I ain't finna move.
Bro, 2 for 1, we gonna do ring lights, that's right, ring lights. And, you know, it's time to be here, 2 for 1. You know, it's coming up, I'm trying to come up, I know it's coming up. The first, anything can come up real soon. March, you know, from top of 50, it's 400. I'm trying to get on, I've been told y'all, I'm trying to get on. You know, that next feed, I know it's coming this week, after Sunday. Today, tomorrow, it's coming. I'm just trying to come up. I know, I got them, you got them, can they come together? That's right, the people, don't worry about my name, cause I got no name, but you know we're here.
This is a double ring light. You see that little Chinese lady? See, that's how we getting folks. Oh, it's gonna make me so beautiful. Don't look at me. Don't look at me. Looking like a pale ghost face, you know? And look like $1,000 worth of work, baby. And do how much? Look, you see that? Uh-oh, she's doing it for the people. Look at it. I want y'all all to see. Hold on. Let's get close up. You look. Hold on. Let me figure out. You see? Look at that. Look at that. Come on, sis. Come on, sis. Look at this. Well, anyways, let me start with this project. So here's the one. Here's what you come out first out the box. Oh no, wrong. This is the. I guess this must be the instructions. Hold on, these instructions in. Oh, I don't do Chinese or Japanese or what this is. Japanese, Chinese. Oh, okay. Let me go to the English side. I just know a little Spanish, no Chinese, and nothing like that. Okay, so these are the instructions for it in English. That y'all see. And then it has a note on there.
The following program is rated TV MAL. It contains strong language and is intended only for mature audience.
And it says, "Dear customer, thank you so much for your purchase. To improve our products and user satisfaction, luckily you are chosen by our company to share your real experience on Amazon, by which you will have a value iMartine 5V/2A adapter as a gift. So may we trouble you to email us at support.imartine.com with your Amazon order number and review link. Your early response is highly appreciated. Warm regard, iMartine customer service." Now that's some bullshit. You want me? I'm already doing review already, and I just said bullshit. Oh well, bullshit. That's some bullshit. You want me? I'm already doing review already. Why didn't you put this in the box? Because not a lot of people buying no double ring light. But anyway, so this is the first thing that's coming out the box. The instructions and the thank you note. I'm going to show you this was pretty thank you note. Alright y'all, so let's go back to the unboxing. So this is the cell phone holder, I believe, and hold on. A 2 for 1 in here, baby. Yep, one. You got the controller for the camera. So when you do stuff on the camera with the stuff you like, then you got the cell phone holder. I'll put this on here. Jesus. Jesus help me. And then I already opened it. But this is the tripod. So, okay. So let me see what this going to be giving. So this is that part. Right. Oh, look at this. Oh, right, look at this tripod. Now, I got another selfie light. It did not do this. And I was all night trying to figure it out. But this tripod, oh my God, yes. It always giving me life already. It doesn't look so easy. It's so easy. It's so easy and sturdy. Put that right there. Let that sit there. What else in this box? I'm throwing this box away. Like, I'm throwing this box away, by the way. Whoop. I'm throwing this box away. Whoop, and the camera fell. I'm throwing this box, by the way, away because I don't need all these boxes. If you only look at, that's what I'm doing, a video about workstation. And it's going to be like, oh my goodness, got all this. That's right. On a bargain, baby. A bargain. So this is the piece that you put on your, this is the piece that you put on the, what's that called? Tripod. There you go. I'm sorry, brain freeze. Tripod. And I'm gonna connect it because that piece go right there for the, okay, I'm not gonna connect. You see this fail, so I'll wait. I'll put it together in a time lapse. So they're individually. So here go one ring light. With its own separate controller on it. Up. And in the middle you can put yourself. They got things you can put your another piece. I forgot what the little piece is called, but you put a little piece here and put your cell phone in it. Oh, I gotta pick this up. Oh, don't tell people it's hard being in a wheelchair and trying to pick stuff up. And I'm still hungry. Yeah, because I was out all day. When I tell you all day. From therapy to appointment. So let's try this again. What the freak? I know this is you because it's bending. Oh, maybe. See, that thing's be smarter than the thing, are they? And now the thing fell. Okay, so this is to be continued. I will connect this all together in a time lapse, like I said. So right now, lighting in here sucks. And I do have another ring light that actually I have a total of 3 ring lights. I got this one, the double. I got one that's a little taller than this one that is a single ring light, and they do color red, green, yellow, pink, It's colorful. No, it's colorful. Then I got the little one, which is my 6-inch, and I'll show that too. But like I said, I'll put together in the like I said, time lapse when I put it together. But these are bendable. I'll give you that credit. They're bendable. And it's, like I said, the tripod sturdy. Oh, even got on the front of it can we get closer? I-14. And what else? Hey, how they going? Okay, the nice design in the box to get the ring light, but hell, we don't need all that wrong shit. I know, hope please you too, don't do my video wrong. I think you should be allowed to say BS because that's what I've been saying the whole time. I hope you have. Then they got another ring light, same thing like the other one. And it has its own, get a close up of the controller, the light controller. It has its own controller. Right here, so you got its own controller right here. I know you heard this. Okay. So I'm gonna say this box is proud. Alright, y'all. So let me do this time lapse and putting this together, and we will be back to show you the ring light in its entirety. All right, everybody, we're gonna do an unboxing of the RGB ring light. There's the box. I will put the actual picture of what it is on Amazon on the thing. So let's open it up. There you go. Whew. So far I started to open it up. So here's the tripod for it, nice and sturdy. Here's directions. You got directions for the controller, and then the camera remote controller. This is I think one of the extra things. This is for your phone, and here's another tripod here. Another small tripod there. Then you have that. Then you got a cable here that goes to a ring light. As you see, this in here. Let's see what's else in here. I'm kind of coming up and not something else. And Lord, I know the struggles that I have been. I think this is a part of the ring light where you put it in. Right here, you put it in this part here, this thing here, the holder for phone. And here's the remote controller. This is the remote controller for the camera. And some extra added. It's another white piece. They gave it two. See, there's another weighted piece for it. So now I'm going to. So now, after this, I'm going to set it up. So now y'all see the 3 ring lights, the double, the 10-inch, and one on my desk, the 6-inch.
I'm back. Well. That was the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed the ring lights. And see, you'll be back. We'll be back. The people want to take over.
If no one told you today that they love you, just know I love you and you have a purpose here. Thank you all for viewing my video. If you want to see more, please like, comment, and subscribe. Remember, always be bae. That bomb ass energy.